guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Obsessed. Hi, I'm Sweta, and if you were watching me for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Guys, if you remember my previous video, then you were maybe thinking that why I am wearing the same dress, why I am wearing the same makeup on my face. Let me just tell you, after making the previous video, I got a lot of DMs from you guys on Instagram. Okay, by the way, if you don't follow me, go follow me. Okay, so I got a lot of DMs from a lot of you guys that I should show you a tutorial on this makeup look. So I decided, why not I create the same look with same dress, same everything. The earring is changed, by the way. Okay, so this is the makeup look which I'm going to create today. So if you want to see that, go ahead, watch till the end. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm applying on my skin is this NYB primer. You can apply any of your choice. I'm gonna pat it on my skin and blend it well. Now I'm going to color correct my face with this orange corrector by LA Girl. You can find any other affordable option on my other makeup tutorials. You can go check them out, and here I am blending it out with a flat top brush. You can you blend it with fingers, beauty blender, or anything. For my concealer, I'm applying Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and I'm going to cover my under eye, nose area, mouth area, and wherever I have applied the orange corrector, and going to blend it really well. So now I'm going to set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder, and I'm applying this compact powder with help of a fluffy brush by Wet n Wild, which I have got from purple.com, and I have shared a recent haul of mine from purple.com, so go check that out. Now I'm going to fill up my eyebrows with this Pixie mini palette and with help of this Wet n Wild angular brush, and the next I'm going to shape it out with the same concealer I was using for my face. Blend. Now I'm going to just comb it out, and woo, I'm done. So finally I'm getting started with the easiest eye makeup and taking a kajal pencil and drawing a line on my eyelid. There's no need to be perfect with this because anyway we are going to blend it out. Now taking a flat brush and going to blend it out very well and very gently. It may take a bit time if you are not yet habituated making this eye look, then it may take a bit longer, but it's gonna look awesome. Take it to half of your eyelid while blending it out and building the color up with a bit more kajal and blend. Now I'm going to give my eye a bit shape, so I'm applying a bit of brown eyeshadow on my crease line and blending it with the black kajal. So this is my eye makeup look, and now I'm going to drag the same kajal to my lower lash line and blend it out. So now I'm going to apply white kajal by NYB on my lower lash line, but it has a bit like silvery tone, so I'm going to fade this color out later on. So now applying a really thicker coat of this kajal. Now I'm applying a generous coat of mascara on my upper and lower lashes, and this mascara is by Rimmel London and it is wow. So now I'm going to fade out the white kajal with the same brush I was using for the black kajal, and you need to do it with very gentle hands, and you need to be very careful. Like, you do not need to rub it out, but you have to just connect the lower lash line and upper lash line or eyelid with a single line. So here I am applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation on shade 310 Sun Beige and blending it out with a flat top brush by Wet n Wild, and setting my face with the same compact powder and the same brush. So now to bronze out my face a little bit, I'm applying this Sugar Cosmetics Powder Contour. And now for blush, I'm applying a coral shade by Moda Cosmetics and applying on my apple of cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to mix those shades out and applying on my inner corner and applying on my nose and all the highlighted points of my face. Here I am using a Makeup Revolution palette. You can use any of your choice. So finally moving to the lipstick and applying Colourpop Limbo, and this is a very beautiful brownish shade and it suits every skin tone, skin color, and this is a brilliant bold shade. So guys, this is my final look. If you like it, then do not forget to press the thumbs up button, comment down below, share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So for now, I will come up with another amazing video. Till then, take care.